Let me tell you a true story. Picture this. Your outfit is perfect. Hair on point. Makeup flawless. Then you put on high heels. And suddenly, your legs forget how to leg. Every step feels like a mini earthquake. Your ankles are shaking like they owe someone money. And in your head, you're thinking, why am I walking like a baby giraffe on ice? If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. Welcome to Footwear Diaries, where we turn wobbles into confidence and heels into power. Today, I'm showing you how to walk in high heels as a beginner, the right way. No embarrassment, no pain, and definitely no falling. And trust me, by the end of this video, heels will start obeying you. Let's rewind. Most beginners think walking in heels is about speed. Wrong. Some think it's about copying runway models. Also wrong. The biggest mistake beginners make is fighting the heels instead of flowing with them. High heels are not your enemy. They're dramatic best friends. If you rush them, they expose you. The secret? Control, balance, confidence. And we start from the ground up. Before we even talk about walking, let's talk about the heels themselves. If you're a beginner, avoid super thin stilettos, avoid crazy heights, avoid slippery soles. Start with a block heel or wedge, a heel height between 2 to 3 inches, and a shoe that hugs your foot, not one you're fighting. Because listen, if the shoe doesn't respect your foot, your walk will never respect you. Now, stand up straight. Shoulders back, chest up, head high. Not stiff, confident. Here's a secret most people don't know. High heels already tilt your body forward slightly, so if you slouch, you wobble. Your posture is your foundation. Good posture equals instant balance. Before you even move, you've already won half the battle. Now the magic part, how to actually walk. Repeat this in your head. Heel first, toe second. Not toe to heel, not flat-footed. Heel, then toe. Take short, controlled steps. High heels are not made for sprinting. Imagine you're walking on an invisible straight line. Place one foot slightly in front of the other, not crossing like a model, but aligned. And relax your knees. Stiff legs make you look robotic. Smooth, calm, intentional. Walking in high heels is like dancing slowly with the floor. Let me paint another picture. It's midnight. Your room is quiet. Everyone is asleep. You put on your heels, and you walk back and forth across your room like you're on a secret runway. No pressure, no audience, just you and your confidence building step by step. That's how pros are made. Not outside, not at parties,